welcome back to our channel. So in today's video I'll be showing you how to delete photos and videos permanently from your iCloud storage. I'll show you different ways to do that. First, you can go to your Photos app, select on the photos you want to delete. Once you've selected all, once you delete, you need to go to your album and go to recently deleted. You look for the photos and videos you just deleted. You also need to select them in order to make sure it clears out permanently. Once you've selected it, you delete. That's a way to delete photos permanently. Another way to do that, you can go to your Files app too. Under Browse, you go to your iCloud drive. You can also see different videos too that are taking storage space. You select the one you want to delete, click, and you delete. Once you've deleted it, you go to your recently deleted also under the iCloud drive. You also mark it. Make sure you delete it. Once you've deleted it, it will permanently remove from your iCloud drive from all your devices linked with your account. Another way to do that, so you can go to your Settings app, open your Apple account, tap on iCloud, then you go to Manage Storage. Once you're there, you open your iCloud drive also. Then you see different videos too, or pictures taking space on your iCloud drive. All you have to do is just swipe to delete. Swipe the ones you no longer need. Delete them. That's another way to do that. So, thank you. If you find this video valid or helpful, do well to like and subscribe.